Hello students, my name is Shesi George, your professional accounting teacher. Before you continue with this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Alright, let's get started. In this video, we are considering a question on time series analysis. Alright, look at the question. The data below relates to sales units of EQ Limited. Year, quarter 1 to 4 has been given for 2015 to 2018. You are required to calculate the trend and quarterly variations using moving average and the addictive model. Okay. Then prepare a sales forecast for the 4 quarters for 2019. All right. To start with, you have your table as follows. The quarter, so we have for each year, quarter 1, quarter 2. As you can see, I'm leaving a space. Quarter 3, quarter 4 for 2015. Okay, then you start again quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4 for 2016, quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4 for 2017, and lastly quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4 for 2018. Okay, 2018. All right. Then you repeat your sales value. The sales value, okay, for 2015. So we have 24. For quarter 2 is 2064. Okay. 1584. For these we have 1344. All right. And for 2018, then you repeat this also. 1488, 1008. So we have 1008, and lastly 768. 768. Now, having done that, you pick up your calculator. You will add 24. That's the first one. The first sales will be added in this manner. In this manner, to calculate the 4-point moving average, you have 24 plus 2064 plus 1584 plus 1344 divided by 4, and that will give you, from my calculator, it's going to give you 1848. Okay, and you write it against the middle. This is 1 2 1 2, that's 4. So you write it against this middle, which is 1848. Okay, you divide by 4, don't forget. Then you start again by picking the second number and count 4. All right, so you start again from here. We have 2464 plus 1584 plus 1344 plus 2204. Then you divide by 4 and it give you 1008. Okay, then you write it against the middle here, which is 1088. All right, then you leave this and start again from the next, that's number 3. Then you count 4. Then you continue like that. You count 1 2 3 4. You add together and divide by 4 and write it against the middle of the 4 numbers you have written. All right, so you continue like that and you have 1752. So you continue the trend to calculate the 4 moving points in that manner. until you get to the last number, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you add together and write it against this middle, which is 1272. Okay, then all you need to do is to add these two numbers to get the trend. Add these two numbers together, the two averages together. That is, you will add 1848 plus 1800. Then you divide by 2. So when you divide this by 2, it will give you 1824. Okay, so now write it against the third quarter in the middle of the 2, 1824. Then you add these two together. You leave this, you add 1800 plus 1752 plus 1752 divided by 2, and that gives 1776. From your calculator, so we have 1776. All right, so you continue in that manner. So you had this plus this, that's 160 plus 1564 divided by 2, and you have 1584. Then you had 1560 plus 1512 divided by 2, and that will give you 1536. Okay, then you will add 1512 divided by 1464. When you add together, all right, it will give you 1488. Okay, when you add 1464 plus 1416 together divided by 2, it will give you 1440. When you add 1416 plus 1368 together, it will give you 1392. When you add this together, 1368 plus 1320 divided by 2, all right, to give you 1344. And lastly, 1320 divided by 1272 divided by 2, it will give you 1296. And that is the trend. So this is the trend value. That's how to calculate the trend. Okay, don't forget, let me quickly repeat. You will add the first 4 digits together, first 4 numbers, that's the sales unit, divided by 4. Then you skip the first one, you count another 4. Okay, add together, you write it at the middle. Okay, you skip the first one, always you'll be skipping the first one, you follow that process. That is moving average, 1 2 3 4. All right, add together, divided by 4. So having gotten the 4 point moving average, then you add this together, 1 2 divided by 2 to give you this 1 2 divided by 2, 1 2 divided by 2, 1 2 divided by 2, and so on. You continue that in that manner. All right, now let's calculate the seasonal variation using the addictive model. According to the question says we should use the addictive model. According to the question, using the addictive model, so seasonal variation, that's the SV equals to the sales, which is Y minus the trend minus T. Okay, Y minus T. So what we need to do is 15, this is the sales, that's the Y value, 1584 minus 1824, and that gives minus 240. Okay, then you continue in that manner, 1344 minus 1776, so it gives minus 432. 2208 minus 1728, and that gives 480. All right, 1872 minus 1680, and that gives 192. Okay, you continue in that manner. And lastly, 1488 minus 1296, and that gives 192. So this is the seasonal variation. All right, then the seasonal variation needs to be adjusted. So let's go to the next aspect. So having calculated the seasonal variation, but there is no seasonal variation for the first quarter in 2015.